Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn about list in HTML. You have seen list in Microsoft Office Word. Let us see which type of list I am telling. See here. There are two types of list. First one is unordered list. Second one is ordered list. The difference between these two lists is only the bullets and the numberings. Here in the first you see that these kind of bullets appears, and in the second these kinds of bullets appear. In this we have number, and in this we have alphabets. These all are list, but these known as unordered list and these known as ordered list. Okay, let us see in details which kinds of list we have to learn in HTML. HTML offers web authors three types for specifying list of information. All lists must contain one or more list elements. List may contain UL, means an unordered list. This will list item using plain bullets. Second one, OL, an unordered sorry an ordered list. This will use different schemes of numbers to list your items. And last one is DL. It is known as definition list. This arranges your item in the same way as they are arranged in the dictionary. Means we have seen the dictionary where the words are there and their definitions are there. In that style we have to create this third one list. Okay, let us um, go through the detail um, of all list one by one. First one is unordered list. An unordered list is a collection of related items that have no special order or sequence. Means here we are saying unordered list means no ordered specified. Means whatever the item you can put anywhere in the list. This list is created by using HTML UL tag. UL tag UL tag is used for unordered list. Means when we want to create an unordered list, then we have to use UL tag. Each item in the list is marked with a bullet. What are the attributes? In the previous video, I have told you that the attributes are uh, properties of any tag. Here, UL tag have three properties. One property where we can specify three values. First one is square. Sorry, type is the attribute where we have to specify the values like square, disc, and circles. Means three types of bullets are there. First one is square, second one is disc, and third one is circle. In the previous video where square and disc I have displayed you, and the circle one you already know that. Here uh, an example is there where I am using square. which type of bullet appears here? Square. Under body tag, we have to use UL tag where attribute type equal to square is there, and after that each element specify with li tag where li open with the item and close with the closing li tag. Here pen, book, copy and box are within li tag. After that, when list is completed, then we have to close the ul tag. What is the output of uh, this code? This will display like this: pen, book, copy, box, and in the front of this we have, you see that is square box is there. Okay, after this we have ordered list. Ordered list, if we are requiring to put our item in a numbered list instead of bulleted, then HTML ordered list will be used. This list is created by UL tag. The numbering start at 1 and is incremented by 1 for each successive order list elements tagged with li. Here uh, we have also attribute like type where we have to specify which type of numbering we want. Like in the given example, type ol for ordered list and type attribute equal to double inverted comma 1 in the double inverted comma, and second one with the Roman one. If we use Roman one, then our list appear with the Roman number. Here we can also specify small Roman, yani it means lower case numbers of Roman, and we can use uppercase letters and small case letters. Here again we have example with uppercase Roman number. Here under body tag we have specify here ol tag means ordered list, type equal to Roman I, and means the order list and unordered list we have to only change this one, this one, this one, this and this. These two, when we are creating order list, we have to write ol type equal to whatever type we want. Okay, if we use unordered list, then what we have to do, we have to use ul type equal to whatever type we want, like square, circle, or mm, disk. Okay, what is the output of this? Here see the Roman number 1, 2, 3, 4 appear with the text. Okay, we go to the next. We have definition list. HTML and XHTML support a list style which is called definition list, where entire entries are listed like in a dictionary on or encyclopedia. The definition list is the ideal way to present a glossary, list of terms or other name public value of list. In English book, we have seen that there are lots of glossaries are there where words are there and the meanings are there. If we want to display our text like this in the HTML page, then we have to use definition list. Let us see. Here we use DL tag. In DL tag, we have to use for word we use DT, means whatever the, like in dictionary hard words is there and after that their meaning is, then hard word we use DT tag, under DT tag, and the definition or meaning under DD tag. After that we have to close DL tag. Let us see with example here. um DL tag for definition list. After that, we have a term HTML. Okay, so here we have put it under DT tag and B for bold. Okay, our text becomes bold, and here HTML, and after that DT code close, means uh, the word whose meaning we are going to define, the word is becomes bold with the heading. And DD tag, this stands for hypertext markup language, and DD close means definition, data definition is there. Whatever the data is HTML, and the definition is, this stand for hypertext markup language. In the same way, here we have used HTTP. Okay, and the definition, this stand for hypertext transfer protocol. And after that, where uh, definition list close. What is the output? Like this. Here HTML, this stand for hypertext markup language. HTTP, this stand for hypertext transfer protocol. Here we see this is the word and this is the meaning. Okay, this is the word and this one is meaning. If we want to present our text like this, we can use DD tag. Okay, thank you.